Hi Eric, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to show you how to get new leads to your website, as well as discuss your overall online presence with you, okay? So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing and can tell you that Google looks for three separate aspects when ranking their website along the Google platform. Those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's talk about content. Content is anywhere on your website that actual text shows up. So this would all count, and a little here, and that's it. Okay, so not a lot of content. Let's discuss and look at an example at why content is so important, okay? So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your #1 search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. Every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So knowing that and doing a little bit of competitor research for you, I'm going to suggest you have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. Doing this is going to beat your competition for content and allow you to start moving up those ranks and bypassing a lot of those people. With that said, for every additional service you offer, whether it be carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, event cleaning, any of those services, we typically recommend that you put them on their own separate page on your website. Now, why do we suggest that? Well, for two reasons. #1, it provides a lot more content to your website. For every additional page, we add between 500 and 750 words of content. So that's a lot of content within your site, again, allowing Google to find you and move you up even higher, as well as allowing us to put keywords that you want to rank for in the content on your pages for every service. Let me show you what I mean. This is called Ahrefs, and it gives me just a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And as you can see, you're getting 0 traffic to your website, primarily because you have 0 keywords you're ranking for. So what is a keyword? Let me take you here to this. When I type in carpet cleaning Louisville, Kentucky, this is a keyword. So for your area, we can go through and find, oops, didn't mean to do that. We can go through and find appropriate keywords with all the services that you offer and get that put into the content on your site. And by doing so, you would start ranking for keywords, meaning that when people did a Google search, they would be able to find you for that service. So that's super important to get in front of more customers and get in front of more people in general. Next, I'm going to draw your attention to this box here. This should have 2 numbers, one here and here. This UR is directly related to citations. And if I take you back to this Google map, these top 3 people here are going to get the most business based on visibility alone, which again is what every business owner wants, to have their business information and name in front of as many people as possible. So how do we get to the top of this list? Well, we add citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And in doing so, you're going to start to climb that ladder, and in doing that, a UR number is going to start to develop here. Google wants these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And in doing that, that creates a lot of linear stability for your business on that Google platform. Next, we're going to look at the DR here, which refers to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business website shows up on a separate business's website. And in that instance, a lot of the traffic and influence that is coming from that website gets turned back onto you. So the more influence we have pointing back to us, the higher this DR number is going to go. Again, we want these 2 to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio. So just to recap, get a lot of citations and move up that GMB, get some good quality backlinks on good referring domains like Angie's List or Home Advisor, and let's start getting a DR number generating here, as well as get appropriate keywords put onto your website. For every service page, we need about 750 words of content, as well as about 1,500 words of content on our home page. Well, I hope this was good information for you. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about the video. I would greatly appreciate it. And that's all I have for you now, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.